Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Adaptive Mind today. Adaptive Mind is a research-based, Common Core aligned, and comprehensive with over 3,000 math problem and explanations. But the students feel like they're playing a game, so they're not really thinking about that they're in school. They do pre-tests, and then they customize the curriculum based on the pretest. So students continue to practice their adaptive mind and they adjust the difficulty and the math automatically. So that's pretty cool. And they use the data to find and address learning gaps. Also, teachers and the parents can look and see how the student is doing. So today I can show you the math. And we can go for first grade. And then here's the pretest that we would take.
Woohoo! You're about to start your fun adventure. Let's go.
And it narrates everything, so that keeps the student interested.
Ooh. Oh, wow. It's so good to see you here. I've been counting the days until your arrival, Master Pet Keeper.
And then it gives you like two things that you could choose from.
Thank you. Such a polite monster. I'd like to officially welcome you. Da-da-da-da! Our new Pet Keeper. Here's your Pet Keeper photo ID. Hey everyone, the new Pet Keeper is here. Let's go to the hatchery. Welcome! Yeah, I decorated it pretty tastefully, if I do say so myself. First, you'll be taking the pre-test. We need to know what your current pet hatching skills are. The pre-test might be a little hard, but don't worry. Try your best, and if any question is too hard, you can click, I don't know. And parents, it's best if you don't help out. I know you want to, but don't worry. Your child will start seeing explanations to missed problems once the pretest is complete. Now let's start hatching this egg by going through the pretest.
So now we can just go through the pretest for the sake of the video. And then you can just keep going through and it shows you your progress right here. So we can just...
No problem. We'll learn it later. No problem.
So
we'll learn it later. Did you see that? Keep it up!
So that's pretty cool. Then you can also go through reading. And there's a whole thing there. And you can pick books to read. Up here it shows you the difficulty level. And then you can go through science. And it does dinosaurs, safari, and then like these are locked, so like once you finish these you could get to these. So then social studies. It says travel through time, so that's cool. Overall, I think it's a great learning tool for teachers and even parents if they wanted to get it at home. So yeah.